Well, it's going to be a fight to the finish. Only got a short time to get both these done, so getting this quarter put on this one and the trunks all finished up. So I gotta get the other quarter over on this side, but I brought this car in. Obviously it was in the snow, had to dig that thing out, and then that way I have the exact measurements and all that good stuff, because got to do quarters on this one too. And then this one actually is pretty bad in front of the wheel wells, so we'll go and cut this crap out of here. As you can see, it's all Bondo, fiberglass, whatever this crap is. Yeah, it's Bondo. Yeah, that thing's packed full of mud. Hear the difference? Yeesh. But it's pretty rotted out, rusty. So I'll have to. Now, that car I had aftermarket quarters and flattened them out and made them work. But this one, I'm just going to make the quarters. It's way easier instead of messing with the quarters that I have for it. So, got to do all the seam sealer and stuff like that in the trunk. Get that done. Everything's all welded up and ground down and cleaned up and prepped and whatever. Anyways, give me an update in a couple days. Happy Thanksgiving.